Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Coroma P1. It's a little sit-down scooter that has a 350 watt motor, 48 volt battery with a 7.8 amp hours. So you should be able to get like 15 to 20 miles or something like that out of it. It has a nice basket on the back, so you can hop back and forth at a little grocery store, little trips like that. But I'll tell you what, let's get it out of this box right here and take a look at it. Now here it is out of the box, and I will tell you that some assembly is required, not much, but I'm going to put a little assembly video that Caroma put out on their Amazon page. They did a real nice job on the video. It's real simple. I'm going to put that video at the end of this so you can see how to put it together if you need to go back for a reference or whatever. But the only thing you have to do is put on the handlebar, which drop right in here, put on the seat, and put on the basket and a reflector if you want to use it. It goes right here. I don't want to use it, so I'm not going to use it. But nevertheless, you get the charger in there, the toolkit, which has everything you need to put it together, and then they give you the manual right here. Real nice manual. And it has a real nice basket, and it has brake lights, which I'm very impressed with that, because a lot of bikes now, a lot of like e-bikes don't have brake lights. I think every electric bike should have brake lights. I'm a real stickler for that, okay? Because I know how it is driving a car when you're behind somebody and they don't have brake lights. You know how dangerous and scary that could be sometimes, right? So it's very important that they put brake lights on everything. All right, so let me bring the camera over here and give you some close-ups on it. Let's start by going down here and looking at these nice shocks. So you get two shocks on the rear. Here's the 350 watt motor. Now there's a bunch of different models of this. One has all the way up to a 1200 watt motor. But when you get to the Amazon page, you'll see your options on what the motor size and the battery size and all that is. So they have a variety of different sizes. They have the 350 watt motor, 500 watt motor, 900 watt motor, and a 1200 watt motor. So I'm sure the 1200 watt motor would be pretty nice. But this one here, this particular model, the 350 watt motor, is only $299. So I mean, wow, that's a pretty good deal, right? A nice little electric scooter like this for less than 300 bucks. I think it's pretty nice. So anyway, there's the front disc brakes. There's your caliper. There's your little shocks in the front. You get fork shocks in the front. There's your headlight. There's your seat. There's your kickstand right there. And the motor. Now I'm going to show you where to put the key. It has a key system on it. And that's going to turn the bike on. Now this model does not have any speeds. Just has the one speed. It goes 20 miles an hour. But down here is where you put the key, and then there's the charge port. So you put the key in and turn it, and that turns it on right there. You come up here, and you'll see that it's turned on. The battery's fully charged. This little button down here, that turns on the headlight, as you'll see right here. And it's a pretty bright headlight. It's got 4 LED bulbs in it. So yeah, that's a pretty nice headlight right there. Then you got your tail light. And then you'll have your brake light if you hold the button, if you press that lever. See it? Flash right there. Very nice. Very nice. I like that. So, I'll tell you what. Why don't we go ride it? Oh, one more thing. Let me tell you. A little bit higher end models, they have a speed selector switch and a little bit different display right here. So it'll show you when you change the speeds, it'll show up on the little display. But this is just the display for this model. But I already sat on it actually, and it's very comfortable to sit on. So this would be a great companion if you were the husband and you had your big e-bike, but you wanted your wife to go along and she wasn't really comfortable with one of the big e-bikes. This would be nice for her to go along with you, or for one of the kids to go along, because I mean, it doesn't sit real low like a scooter. It has 14-inch tires, so it's not like, excuse me, a regular electric scooter that has like 10-inch tires or 8-inch tires. It has 14-inch tires. So it's almost like a 14-inch e-bike, but it just does no pedals. So this would be like a great little companion thing for one of the other members of your family to ride along with you. So yeah, real nice. All right, let's go ride this dang thing. Alright guys, we're out here with the Caroma, and yeah, we're going to take our first ride with this thing. And I will tell you, because I just rode it up and down from there, it does go 20 miles an hour, like it said. I actually got it to 21, okay? But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go take that hill and try it on the hill. So I don't think it's going to have a problem making it up the hill, because if it'll go 20 miles an hour, it'll make it up the hill. And I will tell you another thing, it rides beautifully, okay? So yeah, this thing's real nice, real nice. So let's go take it for a ride for a couple miles and get the feel of it. Let's go and get this ride started. Let's hit this hill right away. Oh yeah, it's taking this hill with ease. Okay, so we know that's good. Yay! Oh, it's got a very smooth ride compared to like a stand-up scooter. Very smooth ride. See if my security guard buddy's floating around anywhere. This thing really rides nice, guys, with these 14-inch tires. It's like riding a bike, actually. That's what it feels like. It feels like riding a bike. But it has these shocks on here, and these shocks really cushion the ride. Wow, and it's very nimble too. Extremely nimble. Oh, this is great fun. Hey, listen, this would be that great companion bike that I mentioned in that the unboxing part of the video, right? So this would be great for that because it has the speed to keep up, see? Oh, it whips these corners like nothing. Holy cow. There's the bell. The bell works. Let's get up here. Oh, let's go to Popeyes. Let's get up here and do our little speed run. Let's see what we get out of it. I know I did. I got 21 down there on that, in the flat part of the parking lot down there before I started shooting the video. So we'll run up this back way here, which actually is not as smooth as that thing there. I think I hit 20 there for a second. Wow, this thing is great fun, guys. Seriously, this thing is really, it really rides really nice. I am very surprised on how nice this thing rides. I didn't expect it to ride this nice, to be honest. But I guess these 14-inch tires, yeah, they make all the difference in the world. Now I'm curious to see what a regular stand-up scooter with 14-inch tires would do, because I know they have them. I know they have them out there. I seen them. Yeah, I seen them. Actually, there's one with 16-inch tires. But yeah, man, it rides really nice. Yeah, these shocks make a huge difference. Huge difference. Great stuff, man. Great stuff. Let's go down here and go into this parking lot and make another speed run up the back way. Okay, I think I'm going to take this to the trail next week. Just the one over there in McKeesport, just to see what it's like. All right, guys, so it takes the hills really well, okay? So that's a plus, okay? So it's nice that it's gonna go up the hills good. So what we still have to do with it, now that we know that it rides spectacularly, now we gotta go maybe do a range test after. I'll go and charge and discharge the battery a few times by riding it around. And then we'll go do a range test. We'll probably do the range test here. Now I think they're claiming 15 miles, which would be fair because there is no pedaling. No, there's no pedal, so there's no way you can help the battery at all. So I'll just, pump the tires up, 1 over or 2 over max. I always do that when I'm doing the range tests. The harder you make the tires, the easier it is for the bike to roll. So oh yeah, guys, this thing rides really nice, man. Wow, it steers real nice, real nice. I'm very impressed with this thing. Okay, so let's try this. I'm gonna take my hand off of it and see how it rides. Yeah, it's not that good. It's like most scooters, okay? You always want to keep your hand on any of these devices. You always want to keep both hands on. You have to get into more of a 20-inch at least before you can start taking one hand off of an electric bike or whatever. Excuse me, or probably any bike for that matter. Well, this thing says I hit a maximum of 22 miles an hour. That's what this thing's saying. So who knows, right? I didn't see it hit 22, but I guess it did because it registered it. Let's see if I can go down this little hill, this slope over here. Maybe I can get it to go a little bit more. That's not that much of a slope, so it didn't go up anymore. Brakes are real nice, guys, real nice. No squeaking. Great stuff. All right, guys, I would call this ride a huge success. Wow, this thing rides great. Very nimble. You can really whip this thing around. Very nimble. Wow. All right, boys and girls, that'll do it for today. So I give this thing a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Very nice. I mean, what, for $299? I mean, what are you going to do? Right? All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.